Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to close your Amazon account on an Android device. First thing first, go ahead and open Amazon Shopping app on your device. Well, after that, here you can click on profile icon at the bottom. And then select your account. Okay, and then here you can scroll down to the bottom. Then select close your Amazon account. Well, and then here you can read the condition and then scroll down. And then you can choose the reason here. Well, after that, here you can check this list. And then click close my account. Okay, and then you will receive a confirmation link via email or text message to verify your request to close your Amazon account. Okay, and then here you can click confirm account closure. Well, and then please enter your password. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to close your Amazon account on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.